Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Moz for domain authority tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Moz website at www. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button in the upper right corner. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up link. You'll be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the listed requirements. Provide your company name in the appropriate field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Moz. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. After confirming your email, return to the Moz homepage. Now, click on the Sign In button again. Enter your registered email and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Link Explorer tool. In the Link Explorer, enter your domain in the search bar. Click the search button to retrieve data about your domain. Your domain authority score will be displayed on the results page. Explore additional metrics and insights related to your domain. You can now track changes in your domain authority over time. Consider bookmarking the Link Explorer for quick access in the future. That concludes your registration with Moz for domain authority tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.